Hey y'all, today I will be doing a twist out on my short hair. It does look longer now that I kind of stretched it out because normally I just do a fro and I'm basically done. To be honest, it's kind of a semi-fail because I use mousse and then I sweat a lot when I work out. I work out 6 days a week. I worked out 3 days back to back with the twist still in. So it dried sweat, you know. I don't know if that affected the twist out. I also used mousse, which I know probably is a big no-no for my hair texture at 4C. And I probably made a whole bunch of other fatal errors, who knows. For reference, I did sleep in a satin cap every night. Yeah, basically aside from the sweat mousse and my pour technique, that's basically it. I will show you guys how to do it. I do think this video will still be helpful because, like myself, I'm sure there are many others who do not know how to do hair. By the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. I also do luxury videos on a separate channel. Link to that channel below. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again, continuing to stay subscribed to me and watching my videos. And if you are new, hopefully you will subscribe and stick around to see what else I post. My videos aren't always failures, so don't worry about that. Definitely some good content to enjoy over here if I do say so myself. Not trying to toot my own horn, just saying. If you guys want to see how I did my twist out and help other beginners and other people that don't know how to do hair, like myself, keep watching. So now I'm going to take my hair down, and I do have a few fuzzies. I have worked out a few times and all of that, and I haven't taken my hair down in between, so I'm going to make sure my hair is as frizzless as possible. Again, I don't know how this is going to turn out. It's my first time doing it since I've had short hair. Put on makeup too before I do it, just so I look good in the beginning of the video. Just saying.
Nice.
So first, I'm gonna take the Native Hair Care Search and Rescue Biotin and Botanical Enriched Fortifying Treatment Serum. It's very lightweight. I'm taking that amount. Very little. I have eyeshadow on my hands too, but it doesn't matter because I have color in my hair anyway. So I'm rubbing it in between my hands and I'm kind of patting it on the hair. Now I'm going to take some Moroccan oil, Moroccan treatment. You can take your favorite oil. I'm taking a little of this too. Same thing. It's do or die. Don't know how this is going to turn out. Let's see. Start back here so y'all can't see if it looks bad. I'll take it out and just twist it. I don't know, man. Short hair. Might shrink it even more. I don't want to just show y'all things that come out like it should, you know? I don't think it came out good at all. Look at that. We're gonna see if I can do something with it to revive it. I'm glad I checked it now because I have to go to a funeral tomorrow and I don't want to find out day of that my hair didn't come out right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait till I have longer hair because this doesn't look good. And then it might be to the products I use. This is my first time using mousse. I've seen others use mousse. I don't think mousse is good for my hair texture. Okay, I'm starting to get a little texture. I kind of see the little curl. Let me use both hands. That was so lazy. I'm not gonna use mousse again. Lightly pulling it out. My hair is way too short to do this. If I had longer hair, it would be cute. I don't like super short curls. I'd rather just have a fro, you know? That's just me. See, that one came out good. It's always like inconsistent when I do my twist outs. Oh, my arms. How do people do their own hair? Like, I don't get it. Like, people braid their own hair and relax their own hair. Okay, it's starting to look better now. It actually doesn't look bad now. What I'm not gonna do is pick it apart too much so it's not super frizzy. It is a bit too short for my liking. If it was stretched, I would like it more. Again, this is personal preference. I know people with short hair do twist outs all the time. Right now, I'm just kind of picking it out so that I hate when my roots start to grow out. It looks, when it grows out more, it'll look better, but it's that first line. They need to make like touch-up color for colors. Like they have brown touch-up hair color and they have black. You don't have color though. Somebody make it so I can buy it. Doesn't look bad now. I'm gonna take a little more of that serum. Serum? Or should I do oil? Let's do serum. Oil, sorry. I am not a professional, as you can tell, when it comes to hair. Now, I'm just taking it. I did rub it in between my hands, and now I'm just scrunching it, just to add some more hydration. I'm gonna take the remaining and just flatten this down. I don't think I have one of those combs that you can stick through the hair. That's why I'm using my fingers. This actually looks really good. I went a little too far back with my twist out. That's why I'm having trouble standing this up. Let me see. If I do that, I'm gonna have a gap. I'm just gonna delete it. It's okay. I don't feel any parts. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to style it or if I want to leave it, you know, to the side. I think I'm gonna leave it. It just looks weird. We're gonna get this right. This is where I get lost. I don't know how to style it when I get it out. And with shorter hair, I kind of need some type of style, you know? Okay. Now we're talking. I think I need to put this side. What do y'all think about this? Now that's cute. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me get some large bobby pins. Now I use these because my hair is too thick for the small ones and I just don't have the patience for the small ones. It takes so many of them. Whereas with these, it doesn't take many. I get these at my beauty supply store. I'm not gonna be too serious about this. Like I'm not doing edge control. I do want it to still be poofy. That makes sense. That's much cuter. Feel free to use bobby pins that actually match your hair color. I don't really care about that. It would be nice, but I changed my hair color so much to where I'm not buying all of those bobby pins. You can hide it too if you're strategic enough. I think that's good. Much better. And you can always do touch-ups like retwist, re-wet, retwist. If you have some pieces like this at the front that is kind of different in texture than the rest, but I think this is good enough for me. So what do y'all think? Was this a pass or fail? I know I didn't pass. I'm gonna be honest with myself and with you guys. I did not pass. Again, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not good with hair at all. Like even in general. I hope you guys enjoyed my fail, semi-fail hair tutorial. like twist out. I'll have all products used down below. I definitely don't think I'm using mousse again. I don't think mousse is for my hair texture. I think mousse is for looser hair textures. I have a very, very 4C hair texture, and I just don't think mousse is for it. I knew that. I don't know why I tried it. I just wanted to try it to see. Next time I do this, I do plan on doing another video using different products probably whenever I run out of these, because when I run out of things, I try new things. So I would do another in the future with different products and see how it turns out. Also, my hair will be longer. Excited about that. I like short hair too, so it's not like I gotta have it. But rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications. Also check out my luxury channel. I'll have a link to that down below. Talk to you in my next video. Thank you for watching.